Hello, hello. Today, let's talk about sleep spray. It is a big problem in the society that nearly everybody out there has problems to fall into sleep. In this case, if you do not can enter into the dreamland easily by yourself, there are some solutions on the market, like here. This is a good solution for it because it is so convenient and easy. This is the sleep daily spray. The sleep spray here contains melatonin and valerian root to help us drift off to sleep fast. It helps to restore circadian rhythm and supports a healthy sleep cycle. Melatonin is the key because melatonin is a natural product found in plants and animals. It primarily known in animals as a hormone released by the pineal gland in the brain at the night and has been long been associated with control of the sleep-wake cycle. In vertebrates, melatonin is involved in synchronizing circadian rhythms, including sleep wake timing and blood pressure regulation, and in control of season rhythmically, including the reproduction, fattening, molting, and hibernation. Many of its effects are through activations of the melatonin receptors, while others are due to the role as an antioxidant. In plants, it functions to defend against oxidant stress. It is also present in various foods. And it is in that spray. And that spray will help us to enter into the sleeping land. Because it's a sleep daily spray. It will help us send us to peaceful slumber. My daily choice sleep spray is the perfect choice for those who have trouble sleeping. Just 6 sprays, 15 minutes before bed, will help us relax and drift off for a night of good rest. We wake up feeling refreshed. This quality product contains melatonin and valerian root, which are known to help reset the circadian rhythm. We can get back to the healthy sleep cycle we deserve. No one can function without a good night's sleep. And this product here gets us into the bloodstream quickly so we can get our shut eye without tossing and turning. We check out what makes the oral spray a superior method of delivery, for example. 40% of Americans have trouble swallowing pills. This spray absorbed right into the bloodstream and this gives the most powerful patented micronized delivery system here. And this is easy because it comes in a little bottle and then we can spray a little bit into our mouth and it is it feels good and it is delicious, of course, and it will gives us a good sleep solution. It comes in a 30 milliliter little awesome bottle, as you can see. It's really easy to enjoy, really easy to use, and it is delicious on top, and it helps us to enter the dreamland easily and fast. This is the daily spray, the sleep spray. Thanks for watching. please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.